this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live with our afternoon update, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. Good evening to my friends in America and Canada. You guys are probably pretty late for you guys. Hopefully you guys, most of you are probably in bed. And my friends in Europe, wakey, wakey. Hopefully you got your cup of joe and hopefully you're going to have a bright and shiny day. So here in Asia, hello, my Asian friends. It's lunchtime. Hopefully you're going to get ready to get some chow down you. And today we're going to round up the week's events. We're going to talk about, some key support levels for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Dogecoin, some on-chain matrix, guys. And keep in mind, I need all of you to remember, do not forget to smash the likes, because when you smash the likes, it tells the YouTube algorithm that you like this channel and it helps push the content out. So guys, please smash the likes. I would really appreciate. And remember, this channel and this video is not financial advice. This is just an OG making this video for educational and entertainment purposes only, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the content. Let's talk about what happened last week. Let's round that up. We're going to also talk about what's going to be the future, guys. And things are not looking pretty rosy right now. Things are looking like things are going down, down. So the fear and greed is up. Guys, don't panic. Don't wet the bed. Don't be weak Nancy's, guys. So let's jump into it right now. Woo! And remember, if you guys have time, please go back and watch the other content, the other videos. Don't miss a trick. Don't miss a beat. And don't forget to subscribe right now, guys. So what's been going on? So, what are some of the 5 things that we learned from this week? Well, we all know that El Salvador made history and became the first country to embrace Bitcoin as legal tender. And this was supposed to be a great day, a fantastic day in Bitcoin history. But it ended up, we got the kibosh put on that because we saw that, crypto fans planned to pump BTC on September 7th. Turned out to be a disaster because we had this flash crash of almost 20%. And that took Bitcoin almost as low as $43,000. And this is a holiday not to forget, guys. And this was really, it was just so coincidental that we had this flash crash at exactly the same time as that we had the announcement of El Salvador becoming legal tender. Was this market manipulation? Was this whales? Was this IMF? Was this the man? Was this the man trying to stick it to the crypto community? I believe that's so, guys. And, it's a shame, but it happened. We also had Gary Gensler in the house threatening to sue Coinbase if the exchange goes ahead with its new Lend staking platform. And despite refusing to tell CEO Brian Armstrong why. So Brian Armstrong tweeted up a storm. He's asking, why is this happening? And, we don't know. And basically it's going to be, regulation through litigation, and that's not something that shouldn't be happening. We should have transparency. The NFL isn't following pro basketball down the NBA. Top Shot's path to NFT fame and fortune. The U.S. Football League is taking a go-slow approach to crypto sponsors and NFT collections that mirrors its approach to, so they're looking, football may be slow and buying into this NFT. Carrying on the fine tradition of B-list celebs pumping iffy crypto projects, Kim Kardashian West took to Instagram to promote Ethereum Max, which has seen a 97% drop since May. To be fair, though, and then we also had the UK regulators basically telling Kim Kardashian, you need to stop doing that, stop shilling coins, it's not good. So what can we look for week ahead? The magic number for the week ahead is 50,000. Bitcoiners, traders, and analysts try to figure out Bitcoin's flash crash was a very big stumble on the climb back to its April all-time high. So can Bitcoin get above 48,000? Will Bitcoin be able to overcome its resistance at 48,000 to 50,000? Also, I'm going to talk about there's a huge resistance at 46,000 we have to overcome. We're below that right now, so it's not looking good for Bitcoin. Will Ethereum be able to resume its month-long climb and go back to 4,000? We need to look at that. And also, Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot continue to skyrocket, guys. So, will an increasingly aggressive SEC hamstring Coinbase? So these are some of the things that we need to look at. So let's jump into Bitcoin price right now. So right now we can see that TA Bitcoin struggles below 46K. What could trigger a nasty decline? So right now we can see Bitcoin prices consolidating around below $46,000 zone. And right now the actual Bitcoin price at time of recording is right now we're trading at $44,953. So it's not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. And Bitcoin is facing a major resistance near 46,000. So there's key resistance at 46,000, and it's around about right here, guys. So let me just take this down. So around 46,000, we have now key resistance right here at 46,000. So we really need to get above that 46,000 area, and it looks like Bitcoin is just having a huge time to stay above that. And I believe that we're going to drop down below our 44,000, and that could send it as low as 37,000. But I think this is just going to be a momentary lapse, and then I think things are going to consolidate. I think September is looking really bad, guys. I wouldn't panic. And I think we're going to close out, as I said earlier in my previous video, I think that Bitcoin is going to close out around about 43K. So don't get too sad. Don't get too depressed. Don't be Debbie Downers. It's going to come back. This is not the end of the bull run, guys. This is September is going to be bad, and I'm just telling you like it is. So don't beat me up in the comments, guys. So as we can see here, if we do not stay above 46K, we are definitely going to go down to $37,000 area. So that's the reality of it. So let's look at some Unchained for Bitcoin right now. We can see right now Bitcoin is trading at 44,653, as I said, and we had an all-time high of 64K back in April, guys. So if you look at the on-chain right now, holders making money at the current prices, 68% of Bitcoin holders are making money, 78% are making money, 16% out, and we can see that the concentration by large holders are around about 12%. And the number of the composition of holders by composition time held, 59% more than 1 year, guys. 32% between 1 and 12 months, and 9% less than 1 month. So you can see that the majority of people holding Bitcoin are people that have been holding Bitcoin for a very long period of time. So we're seeing that the number of large transactions in total, last 24 hours we had 15,640K transactions. 7-day high of transactions 25K, and the 7-day low is around about 15.64. So you're seeing that the Bitcoin transactions are coming down. And if you look at the average size of transactions, the average size of transaction is 933,372, so almost $1 million. And then the average high in the 7 days is 1.7 million, and the average low is $500,000. So you guys we just need to be really careful with Bitcoin right now. And definitely I think we're going to be going down to 37K. I believe it. You should believe it. Definitely that's going to happen, guys. So let's take a look at some other information. You guys all saw the Elon Musk tweet. They were tweeting about Floki. He's got his dog now. So woof woof, Elon Musk in the house. So, right now we can see that the fear and greed indexes, people are really, really fearful right now. People are screaming and thinking it's over. This is not the end of the bull run, guys. By any stretch, it means absolutely not the end of the bull run. So stop panicking. Let's take a look at the Doge right now. Let's take a look at the Doge in the house. So right now we can see that Doge total market capitalization is 31.49 billion. The dominance is only 1.76. And, we have 131 trillion in circulation right now. And you can see here that if we look at the on-chain data, 66% of all holders are in the money, 29% are out, and 63% are most of these wallets that are holding Dogecoin in large supply are exchanges. They're not people, they're exchanges. So a lot of people have been spreading a lot of FUD that Dogecoin is held by one or two entities. No, it's exchanges like Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance. So these are some of the huge holders, guys. So, from that being said, we can see that the average transaction is 997 transactions. Daily high is 2.52 transactions. And we can see that the average amount of Dogecoin being transferred is around about $136,000 worth of Doge being transferred. So we're seeing these transactions actually starting to come down. The average size is actually coming down. So hopefully when things will start to pick up again, and we can see this is investor volume is here. We can see these are the whale volume, and then retail volume is here. So you can see that it's pretty much split between retail volume and investor volume and whale volume. So keep that in mind, guys, that the 8 number of whales own 44.83% of Doge. So, with that being said, let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum in the house. So right now Ethereum is trading at 3,426, so 3,426, and hopefully things will start to pick up. But I think we're going to start everything's going to start turning red pretty soon because Bitcoin is going down. It's going down, down. Let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Luna is right now trading at $36. That's also down. Cardano in the house is also down as well. It's at $2.42. And it looks like we're going to be going down to this level here at $2.10. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is starting to pick up a little bit. So we're seeing some green there. It kind of bounced down to the 152 level. So let me just move that up a bit because we have right there. So we have some support around about 155. And so that's creating key support right now. So hopefully we can stay above the 155. But I think we're going to be range bound between 155 and 198 for the next couple of days. I think we're overall seeing a Debbie Downer markets. Now earlier this morning on the daily chart, Doge was green and we were up around about 24 cents. So today we've seen a high for Doge around about 25.2, and we've seen a low of 23.372, and right now we're trading at 23.9. So overall, it's not looking pretty good here in the afternoon in Asia. It's not looking good. So let's take a look at the market marks, and right now we can see that the total market cap is 2.08 trillion, and it's come down. We are at 2.14 trillion. Earlier on this morning. Our volumes have gone up, so it means that there's a lot of selling going on right now, and our volume is at 82.23 billion, and our Bitcoin DOM is at 40.33. Let's look at the market marks right now. So you can see right now that Bitcoin has fallen below that 46,000 critical support area, and Bitcoin is at 44,691. Ethereum is at 3,275. That's down 1.57%. ADA is down 5.5%, and that's at $2.43. BNB is at $401. That's also down 1.64%. And Solana is down 10%, guys, a huge 10%, and that's at $160. DOT is up. So DOT is coming back. I did say to everyone, jump into DOT. DOT is still up 12.45%, and that's at $35.60. And Doge is not looking good right now. It's just dropped down to 23.9, so we're basically at 24 cents, and we're down 1% right now. Luna is down. Link is going up. We can also see that Avalanche is going down. Algorand is still up, so that's pretty good. Matic is up. So all you guys can do is go bargain hunting, guys, and just keep calm. Go bargain hunting, and hopefully the markets will upturn. And I believe they're going to take a turn, and things are going to go up. It's just a matter of time. So I think for September is going to be a total Debbie Downer. It's going to be a bad, very bearish month. So you guys are just going to have to be patient and wait for things to turn up. And October, we should be exploding. October, we should be on fire, guys. So don't panic. And I just want to say to you guys, don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Do that, because that tells the YouTube algorithm that you like this content, you like this channel, and that will help bring more views into the channel. So support the OG. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter and follow me on Twitter, because a lot of you are reporting you're not getting your notifications on YouTube. So follow me on Twitter, and then you won't miss a beat, guys. And don't forget to smash the likes again. Subscribe, BYB. Do it right now, guys. And don't forget to check out all of my links. If you want to become a Patreon member, do it. Go to my description of every video. I've got all the links here. Buy the channel a coffee. And guys, go to Zen Music Addict. If you want to relax, find your soul, and get some relaxing music, go right here, go right now, and relax. You probably need that because crypto's down right now. Crypto's down. And some other stuff that you can do is check out my merch. We got polo shirts, we got t-shirts, we got the hat. Get and try and check out the merch. Get the merch, and get the mug. You're going to want to get the mug. And guys, one last thing, do check out my NFT collections. Get them while they're still reasonably priced. Get them while they're hot, guys. So I just want to say, God bless all of you. I'm doing this for you. I love you guys. I want to see you all be well, all be blessed. Go with God. And remember everyone, please remember, dollar cost average, diamond hands. Don't panic. Things are not looking good right now. I believe that, you know, we're going to close out this month lower than last month, that's for sure. But October, things are going to absolutely go up. So don't panic, guys. Do not panic sell. Do not panic sell dollar cost average. And I'll see you in the next one. This is the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! I'll see you in the next one. Yeah!